Module 6, Cash Flow Management and Liquidity for Non-Financial Leaders. Overview Module 6 focuses on cash flow management and liquidity, two critical financial concepts that ensure organizations can meet short-term obligations, invest strategically, and sustain operations. Non-financial leaders often concentrate on profitability without fully appreciating that profit alone does not guarantee financial stability. Cash flow represents the actual movement of money into and out of the organization, and understanding it is essential for maintaining operational health, financial flexibility, and strategic capability. This module equips you with the knowledge and tools to analyze cash inflows and outflows, predict liquidity needs, and implement effective cash management strategies. Leaders will explore the differences between cash flow and profit, learning how profitable organizations can still face liquidity challenges if cash is not effectively monitored and managed. 1. Introduction to Cash Flow and Liquidity. Definition of cash flow and liquidity. Difference between cash flow and profitability. Importance of cash flow management for non-financial leaders. The impact of liquidity on operational stability and strategic decision-making. 2. Components of cash flow. Operating cash flows, revenue receipts and operational expenditures. Investing cash flows, acquisition and disposal of assets, investments. Financing cash flows, loans, equity funding, and dividend payments. Cash inflows versus outflows, monitoring timing and amounts. 3. Cash flow. Forecasting. Preparing short-term, medium-term, and long-term forecasts. Estimating inflows from sales, receivables, and other sources. Projecting outflows, operating expenses, capital expenditures, debt service. Scenario planning, best case, worst case, and most likely scenarios. 4. Working capital management, managing receivables, timely collection strategies, managing payables, optimizing payment schedules without jeopardizing supplier relationships, inventory management, balancing stock levels to ensure liquidity, using working capital ratios to monitor financial health. 5. Cash flow analysis and decision-making. Interpreting cash flow statements for operational and strategic decisions. Monitoring liquidity ratios, current ratio, quick ratio, cash ratio. Identifying cash flow gaps and planning corrective measures. Linking cash flow insights to budgeting and forecasting. 6. Tools and techniques for cash management, rolling forecasts and cash flow projections. Scenario analysis and stress testing for liquidity planning, short-term financing options, and credit facilities. Implementing internal controls to ensure efficient cash management. 7. Risk considerations in cash flow management. Identifying risks that impact cash availability. Contingency planning for unexpected cash shortfalls. Impact of economic, market, and operational risks on liquidity. Mitigating risks through proactive monitoring and strategic planning. 8. Practical exercises and case studies. Analyzing cash flow. Statements of sample organizations. Developing cash flow forecasts for fictional departments or projects. Performing working capital analysis and proposing improvements. Case studies illustrating effective cash management strategies.